No. George, what are you doing? And now, with YouTube magic, fixed. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened?
When it like opens out.
Okay, so don't record it too much. Don't be getting standing up and going right to the other side of the car. I'm trying to get the fucking angle that's right, tracing the other side. It's hard to flip it over.
Got a little bitty freaking 3-cylinder horn with a freaking semi. Pretty cool. Big, huh?
It's looking huge.
I'm gonna put it in my truck driver on my birthday. It's different for kids. Very different. You're like fucking celebrity, man. The air horn's not working.
Well, I went to Walmart, picked up some premium stripper, sprayable. Comes with a little spray bottle. We're gonna do these LS Web wheels and see how they come out. If they come out good, maybe we'll hydro dip them, maybe we'll paint them. I don't know yet. But when you're using this stuff, use gloves. Do it in a well-ventilated area. It is a chemical. It strips paint, so it can't be that good for you. Just be careful with it, and let's see what it does. See how sprayable it is. I want to turn it on. I got some scrapers too. $1 at Walmart. There we go. Oh, this works nice. Instead of brushing it on, woohoo! Let's see if it works good though. Oh yeah. God, you know how many bicycles I could have used this on when I was a little kid? Goes pretty quick though, I'll tell you that. I don't like the spray nozzle on this thing. It's either full bore or nothing. That's why I put the gloves on. I already got it all over my hands. Who knows what's going to happen 10 years down the road, getting chemicals and shit like this all over your hands. They put warning labels on this shit for a reason. I can actually feel the fumes burning my eyes. Probably should have a face shield on also. You don't want to get this stuff in your eyes. That can't be too good. Hand's starting to cramp up. Alright. About 4 rims. I use about a half a can. Let's see what it does when it starts to eat away. I don't see anything yet. Not looking too promising here. It looks like it's jello. I'm not noticing anything good yet here. Yeah, it's starting to a little bit there. This one was the first one I did, and it's barely even bubbling up yet.
See the spider webs there.
Maybe.
Takes time.
Alright, let's give it a couple minutes and see what happens. It's pretty easy.
Is all about it?
Yeah. I used about a half can.
Okay, for that, yeah. Just let it sit. Probably just hose them off.
I hope so.
It's probably not as powerful as the other non-sprayable.
It says strongest. Works in less than 15 minutes. Well, it's been about 4, 5. I'm really impatient.
Let's give it another 10.
Alright, well, so far it's been about 10 or 15 minutes, and to tell you the truth, I'm not very happy with the results. I don't know if it's because there's probably about 20 layers of paint on these rims. I don't know. I didn't paint them. It's working, but I'm going to go ahead and hit it with another coat and see what that does. we've come to an end of another day working on the EF hatch. We're going to give you an update on those wheels that I sprayed some stuff on. We're going to head outside in a second, see how that is.
I think we made some progress.
Yeah.
Maybe not as much as we'd like, but we'll explain that later.
Ronno hooked it up. You want to see the finished product? Well, not finished product, but pretty close.
It still needs another skim coat and some light touch up, but better than the giant pile of rust that was there.
We really wanted to get a video going yesterday, but we took a little time and cleaned up the garage a little bit. A buddy of mine hooked us up with some sweet diamond plate, put it on the walls. Check it out. So yeah, and here we are editing the video right now that we're gonna upload soon, that you're gonna watch, which is this video. But let's head outside real quick and we'll check out those wheels in the dark. Look at that flashlight. Well, it's probably been about quite a few hours now.
I think we waited too long to scrape it, but
I mean, it's also 30 degrees out, or 30 something degrees out.
yeah,
It's pretty cold out. I mean, it ain't too bad.
kinda did its job, but we waited a little long to scrape it so that we could do it for you guys, but yeah, we kinda got caught up.
I would probably stick to the regular paint remover that you brush on. I mean, I don't know. That's not that good. I'm not too happy with it. But, I don't know. Tomorrow we'll get back at it again. We'll see where we're at. If not, take them into work and sandblast them.
That's it. This has like 15 layers of paint on it.
Oh, dude, there's so many layers of paint on there. Look, there's red, silver, black. I mean, they're speckled. It's like a flake in there. I
Yeah.
don't know what somebody was thinking, but hey, to each their own.
I picked these up for $20.
$20, yeah,
And the kid
$20 wheels.
delivered them to my house, so I wasn't turning them down. We'll make something work out of them.
All right, let's get back inside and finish this video so we can upload it for you guys.
GoPro, stop recording.